The M1 Abrams is not just a tank, it's a symbol of unstoppable battlefield power. Since its introduction, this 70-ton armored beast has been the backbone of U.S. ground forces. Designed to dominate both offense and defense, the Abrams combines cutting-edge technology with raw firepower. At its heart lies the powerful 120mm smoothbore cannon, capable of destroying enemy armor with surgical precision. Alongside this, it carries advanced machine guns to counter infantry and drones, ensuring all-around protection in high-intensity conflicts. What makes the Abrams truly unique is its layered composite armor, reinforced with depleted uranium. This armor has proven to withstand enemy fire where other tanks would fail, giving crews unmatched confidence in battle. Inside, the crew of 4, commander, gunner, loader, and driver, operate in a highly advanced digital environment. Night vision systems, thermal imaging, and laser rangefinders allow the Abrams to detect and strike enemies long before being seen. Mobility is another factor that sets it apart. Despite its massive weight, the Abrams can reach speeds of over 40 miles per hour thanks to its gas turbine engine. This allows it to maneuver quickly across deserts, urban landscapes, and even rugged terrains, making it a versatile powerhouse. From Operation Desert Storm to the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan, the Abrams has proven itself time and again. Whether crushing enemy tanks, supporting infantry, or leading assaults, it remains the ultimate land weapon. More than just steel and firepower, it represents the cutting edge of American military engineering and the promise of battlefield dominance for decades to come. The M270 Multiple Launch Rocket System, or MLRS, is one of the most feared artillery weapons in modern warfare. Known by soldiers as Steel Rain, this system can unleash devastating firepower in just seconds. Mounted on a tracked chassis, the M270 combines mobility, precision, and sheer destructive capability. Unlike traditional artillery, which fires one shell at a time, the MLRS can launch a full barrage of guided rockets or missiles, saturating enemy positions and overwhelming defenses. Each launcher carries 2 pods, with 6 rockets in each, allowing a single vehicle to fire 12 rockets in under a minute. These rockets can reach targets over 40 miles away, while extended range variants and precision-guided missiles can strike even deeper into enemy territory. The effect is devastating, a sudden storm of explosions that destroys artillery, command centers, air defense systems, and troop concentrations before they even realize what hit them. Mobility is another critical strength. Built on an armored tracked platform, the M270 can quickly relocate after firing, avoiding counter-battery strikes. Its crew of 3, a driver, gunner, and commander, can operate the system with speed and efficiency, firing and moving within minutes. This shoot and scoot capability ensures the MLRS remains a constant threat on the battlefield. The M270 has seen action in conflicts from the Gulf War to present-day operations in Europe. Its ability to deliver both conventional and precision strikes makes it a versatile asset for modern armies. For enemies, the sound of rockets launching means one thing: devastation is on the way. For allies, it represents unmatched fire support and a symbol of American technological superiority. Truly, the M270 earns its nickname, raining steel from the sky. The AW-64 Apache helicopter is one of the deadliest and most advanced attack helicopters in the world. Known as a silent hunter, it is designed to strike fear into enemies, especially during night operations when it becomes almost invisible. Developed for the U.S. Army, the Apache combines speed, agility, and cutting-edge weapon systems to dominate the skies and support ground forces. At the heart of its power are its weapons. The Apache carries a 30mm chain gun mounted beneath its nose, capable of firing hundreds of rounds per minute with devastating accuracy. On its wings, it can mount Hellfire missiles for precision strikes against armored vehicles and fortified positions, as well as Hydra rockets for devastating area attacks. This combination allows it to engage everything from tanks to infantry, making it a versatile and lethal platform. What sets the Apache apart, however, is its advanced night fighting capability. Equipped with thermal imaging sensors, night vision cameras, and laser targeting systems, it can detect enemy forces in complete darkness. The crew, a pilot and a co-pilot gunner, work seamlessly, often striking targets without ever being seen. To the enemy, it seems as if destruction appears out of nowhere, with the Apache vanishing back into the night sky. The helicopter's agility is another weapon in itself. Despite being heavily armed, the Apache can hover silently, maneuver between buildings, or fly low over rough terrain, making it difficult to detect and nearly impossible to stop. From the deserts of Iraq to the mountains of Afghanistan, the Apache has proven itself as a guardian angel for Allied troops and a nightmare for enemies. The Apache is more than just an aircraft, it is a symbol of air dominance, technology, and unmatched combat power. At night, it truly becomes the silent hunter of the battlefield. The M1150 Assault Breacher Vehicle, often called the ABV, is one of the most unique and vital machines in the U.S. Army's arsenal. Unlike tanks or artillery, its mission is not to destroy the enemy directly but to clear the way for others to advance. On modern battlefields filled with landmines, improvised explosive devices, and obstacles, the ABV is the ultimate pathfinder, turning dangerous terrain into safe ground for soldiers and vehicles. Built on the chassis of the M1 Abrams tank, the ABV is protected by heavy armor, allowing it to move into areas too dangerous for regular vehicles. Its most powerful tool is the mine-clearing line charge MICLIC, a rocket-propelled hose packed with explosives. When fired, the hose stretches across a minefield and detonates, creating a safe lane by destroying mines and hidden explosives in seconds. The blast clears the path instantly, allowing armored units to advance without fear. In addition to the MICLIC, the ABV is equipped with a massive plow and robotic arms. These tools push debris aside, dig through obstacles, and clear wire defenses. The system is designed for versatility, able to operate in deserts, urban zones, and heavily fortified battlefields. Crews remain safe inside, shielded by Abrams-level protection, while remote control options allow some breaching operations to be done from a distance. The Assault Breacher Vehicle has seen action in Iraq and Afghanistan, where roadside bombs and minefields posed deadly threats. Its ability to transform a lethal battlefield into a secure passage has saved countless lives. While it may not look glamorous like a tank or helicopter, its role is just as crucial. The ABV ensures that no obstacle, whether mines, walls, or traps, can stop the U.S. military's advance. The Arleigh-Burke-class destroyer is the backbone of the U.S. Navy's surface fleet and one of the most advanced warships ever built. Sleek, powerful, and packed with cutting-edge technology, it is designed to control the seas, protect aircraft carriers, and strike enemies on land, air, and sea. For decades, this class of destroyers has been the silent shield and sword of America's naval dominance. What makes the Arleigh-Burke so formidable is its combination of stealth, speed, and firepower. The ship is equipped with the Aegis combat system, a highly advanced radar and missile control platform that can track hundreds of targets simultaneously. Whether it's incoming aircraft, enemy missiles, or submarines lurking below the surface, the destroyer can detect and neutralize threats before they ever get close. The ship's weapons are equally impressive. With vertical launch cells capable of firing Tomahawk cruise missiles, the Arleigh-Burke can strike targets hundreds of miles inland with pinpoint accuracy. It also carries anti-air and anti-submarine weapons, close-in defense systems, and powerful naval guns. This combination ensures the destroyer can fight in every domain of warfare. Beyond combat, the destroyer is a floating fortress of endurance. With a crew of over 300 sailors, it can operate for months at sea, protecting vital trade routes, escorting aircraft carriers, and projecting American power across the globe. Its stealth design reduces radar detection, giving it an edge in modern naval warfare. From the Persian Gulf to the Pacific Ocean, the Arleigh-Burke-class destroyer has been a constant presence, deterring enemies and reassuring allies. More than just a warship, it represents America's commitment to maintaining freedom of the seas. Fast, lethal, and versatile, it remains the U.S. Navy's deadliest destroyer and a symbol of modern naval power. The future of warfare is changing, and at the center of this transformation are robotic combat vehicles. Unlike traditional tanks or armored cars, these machines are designed to fight without putting human soldiers directly in harm's way. Built to operate alongside manned units, robotic vehicles combine artificial intelligence, sensors, and advanced weapon systems to create a new era of battlefield dominance. The U.S. military has been developing several types of unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, ranging from small scout bots to large, heavily armed platforms. These machines can perform dangerous missions such as clearing minefields, carrying supplies, or even engaging in direct combat. Equipped with machine guns, missile launchers, and surveillance gear, robotic combat vehicles act as force multipliers, giving commanders more flexibility and firepower. One of their biggest strengths is their ability to operate in places too dangerous for soldiers. Using cameras, thermal sensors, and satellite links, they can detect ambushes, scout enemy positions, and even launch precision strikes, all while keeping human operators at a safe distance. Some prototypes are semi-autonomous, capable of making split-second decisions on navigation and targeting, while others are fully remote-controlled. In training exercises, these robotic vehicles have been tested alongside tanks and infantry, showing how manned and unmanned forces can fight together. Imagine a convoy where robotic scouts move ahead to detect threats, while human units follow safely behind. This teamwork reduces casualties and increases mission success. While still in development, robotic combat vehicles represent the future of military technology. They are fast, versatile, and deadly, reshaping how wars will be fought in the coming decades. For America's military, they are not just machines, they are the future warriors of tomorrow's battlefield.